Trying to start the Massey Ferguson tractor. Actually, the Massey Ferguson 26078. Turning the switch and waiting for it to show the hours. Okay, that's a weird light I haven't seen before. I'm trying to give it a crank because it hasn't worked. Yep, it's not starting. I'm sitting in the seat, so I'm weighing it down. PTO is off, so it's not engaged. Gear shaft's in neutral. This thingy's in neutral. And this little thingy's in neutral. Check here. Could it be the battery? Got this thing connected. I got 12.7 volts, so should be good. Again, the dash has the battery, but it also has an oil icon. I don't think it's the battery. The lights are working.